friends! Welcome back to another episode of Learning with Little School. Today is a super fun day. What are we doing today? We are talking about free time. What do you do in your free time? Look! Tom is playing soccer. He is kicking the ball. Wow, he is running fast. Can you run fast? Try it. Oh, Emma is dancing. She is moving her arms. She is spinning. Can you dance like Emma? Let's try. Wow, Sam is painting. He is making a blue star. Can you paint a star? Grab your colors and try. Look, Anna is riding a bike. She is going fast. She is smiling. Can you ride a bike? Let's go. Listen, Jake is playing the guitar. He is making music. He is singing too. Can you play? Look, Alex is playing basketball. He's dribbling the ball. He is shooting. Can you play basketball? Try it. Dribble, dribble, shoot. Wow, Mia is cooking. She is stirring the pot. She's adding spices. Can you cook? Let's try. Look, the kids are swimming, jumping and splashing. Can you swim? Let's go. Look, Lily is riding a horse. She is holding the reins. Can you ride a horse? Let's try. Wow, so much fun today. You are amazing. Keep playing, dancing, and having fun. See you all next time. Learning with Little School. Bye-bye.